So what is MAAP? MAAP is a 501c3 nonprofit at James Madison University. We prepare students for careers in the automotive industry through hands-on learning in motorsports and historic vehicle restoration.
I'm given jobs here that I would never get elsewhere.
You get a whole new level of exposure that you don't really get in your classes.
I'm interested in learning more about automotive restoration or possibly using technologies like these to bring cars back to life and bring non-existent parts back to life.
Here at MAAP, we partner with outside clients to restore vintage Porsches, with students taking on every role from mechanics to business management. MAAP is more than just a workshop. It's a place where students come to learn and grow. Get involved today at madisonauto.org.